Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make pork souvlaki, and here we go. You will need 500 grams of pork belly strips. You can use another cut of meat if you want, but the belly works best. There's a little bit of fat on the meat which I'm going to leave because it helps. Cut them into 3 pieces of equal size because you want it to cook at the same time. You will need 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of rosemary and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Add that to the pork and massage it in. Then cover and chill for 1 hour in the fridge. To assemble, you will need 1 yellow pepper, 1 green pepper and 1 red onion, which I've cut them into small pieces so that they're about the same size as the pork, so that everything cooks evenly. If you're using wooden skewers, soak them for 30 minutes in cold water. I also trimmed mine down so that they fit the size of the pan I'm using. There have been times where I have forgot to do that and had to start again. To assemble, add 1 piece of pepper, 1 piece of onion, or I'm using 2 pieces because they were quite thin, and 1 piece of pork, and then repeat. I fit about 4 pieces of pork onto this skewer. Also, don't put them too tightly, otherwise they will take longer to cook. Try and leave them a little bit loose, and that will be much easier for you. And once they're ready, set them aside and heat a griddle pan on high heat. Add the kebabs to that and cook them for 4 minutes on the first side. Then turn them over and cook for 4 minutes again. Then add some salt on the side that we've just turned over. We add the salt now so they don't dry out beforehand. Turn them back over after 4 minutes and add salt again. Then I've got the juice of 1 lemon which I'm pouring over the kebabs. It will evaporate very quickly, it's just to add the flavour to it. I also finish these off in the oven for about 3 minutes on 200C fan because I'm always a bit wary when I'm cooking pork on the griddle and I never know if it's done. I'm just not very good like that. So you can finish them off in the oven if you want, or if you're confident on the griddle you don't have to. Serve these with pita bread, tzatziki, tomatoes. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.